Thank you for joining us for our science lesson today. Everybody say hello. Hello. We'll start with our meditation. So we're going to think about our heart center. Heart center. We're going to use 2 fingers to find our heart center. We'll put our left hand in our lap. And we'll close our eyes. Close your eyes. When you feel your heartbeat, that boom, 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 move your right hand into your lap. But in your mind, keep thinking about your heart center. Just where your 2 fingers were. Keep thinking about that heart center. Let's end our meditation with 3 breaths together. 1, 2, and 3. Slowly start to wiggle your fingers. Slowly start to wiggle your toes. Slowly open your eyes. And everybody slowly stand up. Good. Good job. Go up, high up on your toes. And reach down and touch your toes. And make some monkey arms. And make some monkey sounds. Stand up nice and tall. And let's stretch our arms out again into a nice T. And go up on your toes. And go down and touch your toes. Good job. Come up halfway, swing your monkey arm. Good job, let's go up nice and tall. And let's see, let's turn to our neighbor and say hello. Hello. Give your neighbor a high five. Give your neighbor a high five with the other hand. Give your neighbor 2 high fives at the same time. Shake your neighbor's hand. Shake your neighbor's hand with the other hand. Cross your arms and shake your neighbor's hands at the same time. Good job. Give your neighbor 1 more high five. Nice job. Let's practice growing. What do we do first to grow? We're going to get into a small little ball. I see you. I see you. All right, we're going to grow. We're going to grow. We're going to grow. Let's do it again. Get into a small little ball. I see you. Okay, we're going to grow. We're going to grow. We're going to grow. Good job. 1 more time. Make a small little ball. We're gonna grow. We're gonna grow. We're gonna grow. Good job, my friends. Let's spin around 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Dizzy. Everybody can take a seat. In this lesson, we're going to be learning about animals. Animals. We already know some of the things that animals need and some of the things that animals can do. So we're going to learn a little bit more and review what we already know. First, we're going to look at our PowerPoint. Okay, today we're going to be talking about animals. 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 Good job. We're going to talk about some of the things that animals can do and some of the things that animals need. So one thing that animals do that we've talked about is animals grow. Animals grow. They grow. Yeah, we just practiced growing in our warm-up. Yeah, so animals, they start small and they get bigger.
Small, so cute.
Yeah, sometimes when they're cute, they're small, they're so cute. So they're small, they grow. What happens when they grow? They get bigger. They start small, they grow, and they get bigger. Let's watch this little puppy grow. He's going to grow, and he's going to get bigger. He was little, and now he's big. Okay. Another thing that our animals need, air. Air. Everybody take a deep breath. Yeah, just like us, animals need air. Yeah, they need to breathe. They breathe through their little noses or through their little mouths. Animals need air. They need air. Another thing that animals need. Does anybody have a guess? Look at this word.
Yes.
Starts with what letter? W. Let me give you a clue. Gluck, 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 gluck. What's? Yeah, good job. It's water. Animals need water. They need to drink water just like we do. They need to drink water just like us. Okay. Yeah, animals need water just like we do. Just like we need air. Animals need air just like we need water. Glug, 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 glug. Animals need water. 3, yeah, that's 3 so far. Another thing that animals need. Let me give you a clue. They need to eat. Animals need food. Food. How do we spell food? O-D. Food. job. Yeah, there's that monkey. There's that monkey enjoying his tomato. And here's this guy enjoying his mango. Animals need food. There's another thing that animals can do. They can move around. Animals can move around. Look at this bird. He's flying up in the sky. And we have our horse. He's running around. Shoo, 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 just like that, yeah. So animals like to move around. They don't stay in one place like a plant. They like to move around. Yeah, they walk around, or they run around, or they fly around. Some animals swim around. Yeah, animals like to move around. Yeah, some animals swim. A snake slithers around.
And cute snake. And la 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 la.
Yeah, animals like to run and move around. Another thing animals can do, animals can make noise.
Wow.
Yeah, animals can make noise. Let me hear everybody roar like this lion. Roar. Let me hear those animals. Let me hear those animals roar like a tiger or a lion. Good.
Monkey.
Yeah. All right. Let me hear some monkeys. Good job. Yeah. Animals like to make noise. They like to make noise and they like to move around. That's just like that. Good. Okay. We're going to take a look at another demonstration to practice what animals can do and what they need. All right, friends, we're going to talk about some things that animals can do and that animals need. So we have our friend Larry. We have our friend Larry. Everybody say hello to Larry. Good job. So Larry, our friend Larry, there's some things that Larry needs. There's some things that Larry needs.
Yeah.
One thing Larry needs is some air. Here's Larry taking a deep breath. He's breathing deeply. He's taking a deep breath. Good job. What's another thing Larry needs? He needs air. What's another thing he needs? He needs to drink some water. He needs to drink some water. Is this some water that Larry might like to drink?
Yes.
Yeah, he might like to drink that water. So he's going to go over and get some water. Water. Glug, 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 glug. Nom, 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 nom. Glug, 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 glug. Glug, 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 glug. Good, Larry had some water. What's another thing that Larry needs? What's another thing that Larry needs?
Eat food.
Larry needs to eat some food. Larry needs to eat some food. Do you think Larry could eat this plant?
Yes.
That might be something that Larry might like to eat. Larry might also like to eat some of these beans too. Have you ever seen a chicken looking for their food on the ground? Yeah. They kind of walk around, they peck on the ground. So Larry can move around and find some food. So Larry needs his air. Larry needs his water. And Larry needs his food. He needs his food. Okay. So to find his food, does Larry stay in one place? No. Larry has to look for his food. He's got to move around and look for that food. He's got to look around and move around to find that food. Yeah, chickens at first. Larry used to be an egg. Larry used to be inside this egg. And the egg popped open. Larry came out. And Larry got bigger. Larry got bigger. What did Larry do? What did he do? He got bigger. He grew. Yeah, Larry grew. He got bigger. So just like all animals, Larry can make noise, Larry can move around, and Larry grew. He got bigger. Good job. We're going to talk about the 3 things that animals need because we're going to play a game. So we're going to talk about the 3 things that animals need. What is one thing that animals need? Air. Air is one thing that animals need. Air. Air. Let's spell air together. A. Oh, very good. Good. Everybody spell air. A-I-R. What's another thing animals need? There's 3 things animals need. Air is one. What's another one? Water. They need water. What does water start with? W. A is the next letter. Good job. Water. T. Then there's an E. R. Water. Water. Everybody help me spell water. W-A-T-E-R. Good. W-A-T-E-R. Good. We're going to need this for our game, so everybody make sure you know how to spell these words. Air. A-I-R. Great job. Water. W-A-T-E-R. Spell water for me.
W-A-T-E-R.
Great job, my friends. What's the 3rd thing animals need? That's something they can do. Animals need something else. They need to eat. Food. Good job. Good job. What letter does food start with? F. Double O. And a D. Great job, my friends. Food. Food. Everybody help me spell food. F-O-O-D. Good. Food. 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 Let me hear. Food. And let's spell it. F-O-O-D. Food. Good job. I'm going to point to the word. I want you to tell me what that word says. What does this word say? Water. We don't have to spell. You can just say the word. That's okay. Water. What does this word say? Air. What does this word say? Food. Good job, my friends. Okay, we're going to play a game. I'm going to tell you how we play that game. Okay, to play our game, we're going to make some teams in our classroom. So we're going to split our class into 2 teams. And I'll split the board into 2 teams. We're going to have team 1 and team 2, but we are going to call our teams a different name. We are going to call this team the Lions. You're going to be the Lions. You're going to be the Lions, like lions. Lions. You're going to be the Lion team. This team of friends, you're going to be the Tiger team. You're going to be the Tiger team. Raise your hand if you're a tiger. Raise your hand if you're a lion. Let me hear my tigers roar like a tiger. Let me hear my lion. Good job, my friends. Okay. So we're going to take a few minutes. Everybody's going to go outside, but first I'm going to tell you how we play the game. Okay. Listen so we know how to play the game. So we're going to look around our classroom for the 3 things that animals need. What do animals need? What's one thing animals need? Water. What's another thing animals need?
Sun. No.
Food
Air.
and air. Yeah, there's 3 things that animals need. So around the classroom, I have hidden some food, some water, and some air. So all our animal friends are going to be looking around our classroom, trying to find food, water, and air. Okay? And when they find those things, they're going to run to the front, and it's going to be the team that they're on. They want to put that right on the board for their team. So if I'm on the tiger team and I find some water, I'm going to take my water, I'm going to run to the front, and I'm going to put it on the board with my tiger team. Okay? We also have hidden around the classroom some words. What word does this say? Water. What word does this say? Food. And we also have air hidden around. Air. Okay? So if you find a word that's something that animals need, that is extra points. These are 2 points if you find the words. If you find the pictures like of food, it's only 1 point. But if you can find the words, those are 2 points. So you want to look for your words. But there are other words that are not food, water, or air. There's words like name. That's not something animals need. So you want to look around and make sure you find things that animals need. There's going to be some pictures that animals can't use. There's going to be some words that animals don't eat, like this word. This word, socks. Can an animal do anything with socks? No. So an animal, if you find this word socks, you don't want that word socks. You want to find words like water or air. And you want to find pictures like food or water that animals can eat. Like this pond, an animal could drink out of that pond. Animal could take a drink out of that. If you find a picture of the sun, you don't need that. An animal can't eat or drink the sun. So make sure you look for things that animals need. Food, water, or air. Okay? And you're going to bring your word and you're going to put it on the board. If you're on the tiger team, you put it here. If you're on the lion team, you put it here. Okay, my friends, let's play our game. So look around. Look around. Our lions. Look around. Look around. Look around. Bring it up to the front and put it for your team. Put it for your team. And we're only looking for things that animals can drink, eat, or some air. Look around. Pretend you're an animal. Does an animal need pants? No, an animal doesn't need pants. Does an animal need socks? No. Does an animal need a shirt? No. A fish. You found a word. Fish. An animal could eat a fish. Socks. Animals don't need socks. Animals don't need socks. What did you find? Some meat. An animal. An animal could eat that fish. Can an animal eat fish? No. Some air. An animal needs air. An animal needs air. An animal needs air. Look around. Look around. Pretend you're an ape. Look around. Look around. Look at my animals hunting for their food and water. Does an animal need pants? No. What is that? What is that? 50. Does an animal drink or eat 50? No. No. Oh, you found some water. An animal could drink some water. An animal could drink some water. Look around, my little animals. Look around. An animal could eat a fish. Look around. Look around. I think we should look behind some things and under some things. We should look under some things and look behind some things. What did you find down there? A leaf. An animal could eat a leaf. Oh, what did you find? What word is that? What word is that? What did you find? What did you find? What word is that? Food. Good job. Okay, friends, let's take a look at some of our words that we found. We did a great job. All our friends found so many things. We found all kinds of different foods that animals can eat. Can an animal eat the moon?
No.
No. Can an animal wear a dress?
No.
No. That would be silly. But we found lots of things that animals need, like air. Like air. This team found a lot of words. We found things that animals need, like water. Water. We got water over here, water over here. And we found all kinds of food that animals. So just for a quick review, we're going to think about the things that animals need. What is one thing that animals need? Look behind me. What's one thing that animals need? Air. Air is one thing that animals need. Good job. Water is another thing that animals need. And food. Those are the three things that animals need. Those three things animals need. Air, water, and food. Let's think about some of the things that animals can do. Animals can do. Do animals stay still?
No. No.
They move around. Everybody show me animals moving around. Good job. Are animals quiet all the time?
No. No. No.
Let me hear my tigers and my lions. Good. Animals like to make noise.
Make noise.
Make noise.
Make noise.
Good job. Do animals stay the same size?
No.
No, they start small. Then what happens? What do animals do? They grow. That's right. Good job. Animals like to move around.
No.
Yeah, they do. They like to move around. They like to make noise. Rawr. And they grow. They get bigger. Yeah. All right. Good job, my friends. Thank you so much for joining us for our science lesson. Can everyone say goodbye?
Bye.